Welcome to the Pullman International.
This is our hotel room. We are staying in Pullman International. This is the window view from the room. You can see the casino hotel at front, and then on the right side we can also enjoy some mountain views. This is our last day in Cairns, and today we are going to explore the tableland areas, some waterfalls, and the scenic views alongside the way to the tablelands. So let's enjoy. After about 2 hours drive from Cairns, we have stopped at Millaa Millaa. This is a small but very beautiful town and is also called as Village in the Mist. There are a couple of dining options, so let's explore and have some lunch and then we will move on. We have stopped on our way to Millaa Millaa Waterfalls. This area is just amazing. The mesmerizing beauty of this area will hold you forever. Wow, just wow. The Atherton Tablelands is a highland region of northern Australia near Cairns, Queensland. The landscape is a mix of rainforest, wetlands, and savannah, which is home to numerous birds and wildlife like tree kangaroos and wallabies. So this was all about our Cairns trip. I hope that you guys have liked this video series. We will come up with some new videos soon. Until then, goodbye.